Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam. Please sit down. Good morning, my students. Good morning. How are you today? I'm great. Before studying, let's pray together. Please, Aina, lead the prayer. Let's pray together. Begin. Finish. Thank you, Aina. Okay.
Pak Agam, gimana ya nge-feedback Pak? Aku saat
Who is absent today? Who is absent today? Olivia. Why Neng Viola didn't come to the class? She is sick. Okay. Please pray to her. May she will get soon. Okay. Look at the picture. There are 8 icons. You can choose. You feel according to you feel now. Yes. Okay. Who wants to explain your feeling? Who wants to explain your feeling? Okay. I feel why? Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. May your cat find soon. Who else? Hey, Gabriel.
I feel happy because my father gives me.
Oh, I'm happy to hear that. What color is it? Red? Oh, it is my favorite color this year. Okay. Who else? Sing. What do you feel today, Sri?
I feel happy.
Why?
Because I get question from someone.
Oh, what is it? Rain. Oh. Nice reason. Okay. Okay, who else? Okay, Esa. How do you feel today, Esa?
I feel angry.
I feel everyone? You feel everyone?
Because my friend
He doesn't say anything. For example, goodbye. No, say anything. Bad person.
very bad.
Anything else? Who else? No one? No one? Next. No. Have you ever seen there?
Yes, I have.
What is the picture?
Borobudur Temple.
Borobudur Temple. Okay. What do you see there? Okay, Tessa. What do you see in Borobudur Temple? What do you see?
I see temple, arca, stupa, relief, and stage.
Okay. Who else? Have you ever gone? Have you ever visited there?
Have you ever visited there?
No. Okay.
No?
Next. Present action. Great future result.
Great future.
It means.
It means
You. dari sekarang kamu melakukan
dari
hal
sekarang
baik, maka
melakukan
hasilnya juga akan baik di dalam in the future, di masa depan kamu ya. Jadi kalau sekarang kamu rajin
kalau sekarang
belajar,
kamu rajin belajar,
rajin ke sekolah, rajin menghafal pelajaran, nanti cita-cita kalian juga akan berhasil, akan meraih cita-cita kalian itu akan tercapai ya. But
tercapai.
if you do everything for today, you will the result is bad thing too. Jadi kalau kalian melakukan hal-hal yang buruk seperti malas belajar, tidak semangat, ke sekolah jarang, nanti cita-cita kalian nggak akan tercapai karena apa-apa yang dilakukan hari ini, apa-apa yang dilakukan hari ini, hasilnya itu akan dampak di masa yang akan datang. Bisa dipahami? Jadi kalian harus semangat belajar untuk meraih cita-cita kalian. Bisa dipahami? Bisa. Oke. I would like to ask you, what is your aim? What do you like to be? What do you want to be? What would you like to be? Okay. Who? Aina, what do you want to be?
I want to be a CEO.
CEO? Nice dream. Nabila,
I want to be Indonesian teacher.
Indonesian teacher. Oh, in the English teacher. Oh, what do you want to be?
I want to be
Polisi pemen ya. What do you want to be? Siapa? Yes.
I want to be psychologist.
Psikologis. Oh, jadi psikolog ya. I want to be. What would you like to be? I want to be a doctor. A doctor. Pet doctor. Oh, jadi dokter hewan ya. What do you want to be? Yeah. I want to be doctor. Who else? Tell me your aim. What do you want to be? I want to be a teacher. Thank you. I pray for all your dreams come true. Next. For today, independent study for today untuk manfaat pelajaran yaitu you can describe the object such as place and person. Jadi kemanfaatan untuk pelajaran hari ini kalian bisa mendeskripsikan benda, orang atau tempat. Next. Tujuan pembelajaran. Peserta didik dapat mengidentifikasi fungsi sosial dan signifikan secara benar. Peserta didik dapat mengidentifikasi struktur dan signifikan secara benar. Peserta didik dapat membandingkan fungsi sosial, struktur dan fungsi perasaan dan signifikan dengan teks lainnya. Peserta didik dapat mengklasifikasikan fungsi sosial, struktur dan unsur kebahasaan dari unsur kebahasaan dan teks. Nah, itu adalah tujuan pembelajarannya untuk hari ini. Itu adalah pembelajarannya. Game, ya. Kita let's play game. Teknisnya, ya. Ya. I will read three clue. Ya. In each picture. For picture.
Picture.
You
For
have
picture.
to find
Have
out
to
the
find
picture. What I read. The clue.
what
You understand?
I read.
Yes.
The clue.
Can
You understand?
I invite you each
I
group, one
invite you
person, to come to in front of the class.
to in front
Coba
of the
sini,
class.
ke depan.
Ke depan.
So, each group,
Stop. Each
one
group.
person.
One person.
One person.
One person.
Ke depan.
Depan.
Ada. What? How many people? How
many people?
3 people. Yes.
3 people.
Okay. Gini ya.
Iya.
Satu dulu. Nanti you have to find out the picture according to I have read. The bus, listen to me. The bus, listen to me.
Listen to me.
Jadi harus cepat, ya. Listen to me. Ada there are 4 picture. You have to choose. But now one picture. Choose one picture. Clue. I will read clue.
But I will read
Vehicle.
vehicle.
Vehicle. Three ya.
Iya.
Three words.
Keywords.
Pertama, toilet.
Pertama.
Food. Yes. Oh, Aina.
Oh, I know. I know.
Pertama, gas station. Gas station. Ya. Aina dapat.
Gas
Yang
station.
kedua,
Ya. Aina
yang
dapat.
ada second.
Yang kedua.
Books.
The second.
Ya, Aina get go ya. The three and the third. Better. Gitu. Ya, jadi Febrianti. Febrianti dapat. Ya, get. Terus apa ya? Campur ya. Next. Begin now. Ya, finish. Jadi yang mendapat yang banyak siapa? Sama dua. Oh, coba satu lagi ya, satu lagi. Wait a moment. Mana Kak? Ya. Ya. Pak. Ya, Aina, please. Thank you. Ya, I give reward them. Dan betul siapa? Thank you. One more. Thank you ya for participation. Next. Okay. I would like to ask you, is there a magical novelist in Garo? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Itu bagaimana? Bagaimana? Talaga Boda. Darajat Candi Cangkuang. Darajat Cimbanas. Papandayan. Di Garut. Ya, Ngaplang. Hah? Ngaplang. Bungawan. Balong Bali. Cibeger. Cibeger. Oh my, ada apa lagi? Kabut. Swimming pool, what else? Cibeger. Flying fox, kabut, trampolin, asap, sawah, rice mill, siapa lagi di Cibeger? Sungai, ya, river, sungai, ya. Do you go to Cibeger? How many times do you go to Cibeger? Ya, berapa kali? Tidak terhitung. 5 and 6? Wow. You often, ya? Very often. Okay. Very often. Okay, next. Okay. Have you visited? What is the picture? Have you ever visited? Have you ever? No. Yeah.
Yes.
How many times? Berapa kali? How many times? Three times. What do you see in situ Bagendeng? What do you see? Apa yang kamu lihat? Ada bahasa Indonesia. Bebek. Situ air. Rek, ya, rakit bambu. You see masjid ada masjid? Ya, masjid. Ya, masjid. Can you describe who want to describe this picture? Who want to describe it? Okay, Aina.
There is a ball well in the middle of the
In the middle of the lake. Where is the picture? Di mana posisi?
Oh, let's go.
Leles gabut gitu. Oke. Next. The text. Who wants to read the text? Oke. Siapa yang mau baca teks ini? So, Kesa dulu. Kesa, silakan paragraf 1. Ya. So, come here.
Tangguang is located in Meles Garut. The small road to this area is on the left side of the provincial road from Bandung to Garut. The main point of interest here is a single temple located in a small island in the corner of the lake. All its object is Situ Cangkuang. Situ means like dust and activities here. Like where here are angel. The light on the bamboo rack is it Kampung explore Cangkuang and its museum. Okay. If you come and visit Candi Cangkuang, you will explore many of activities over there. Yeah, good. Okay. Next. What don't you understand of vocabulary? Ada yang tidak paham dengan kosakatanya? So, apa itu? What are they? What is it? Yang kalian don't know the meaning is corner. Baca dulu. Corner is any someone know? Tahu nggak corner? Ada yang tahu? Tidak. Corner itu adalah pojok. Pojok corner itu. Jadi lokasinya itu di sudut. Ya sudut. Danau. Jadi Situ Cangkuang itu located in small island in the corner of lake. Jadi di pojoknya. Jadi corner itu adalah pojok. What else? The vocabulary you don't know the meaning. Apa? Das artinya dengan demikian. Kalau ini salah ya, sorry, ibu lepas. Ini bukan das tapi this is area. Nah, kalau di sini das artinya dengan demikian, kalau ini this artinya ini. Coba ucapkan das. Itu das artinya dengan demikian. Demikian aktivitas di sana bisa menikmati bambu rakit yang terbuat dari bambu. Okay, next. Ini a story of writing book. Can you read? Who wants to read the text? No. Aina, please. Very long time ago, there was a nice farmer named John. He married to a beautiful woman, and both of them had a beautiful baby boy. But one day, the wife met one of the farmer. Then the wife bore her wings, and then we get the son next year, leaving the farmer alone and heartbroken. Because didn't want to see inside and heard of the farmer while building a gorgeous, colorful bride. The farmer can climb the sky and then see his wife and son again.
Itu apa? Ada yang paham isinya? Do you understand what the text about? Tells
Seorang
ya.
yang
Jadi rainbow, what is the rainbow?
Langit.
Oke, dan cerita dari pelangi. Jadi zaman bahula ya, zaman dahulu dong kayak hiduplah seorang petani dengan melihat dengan beautiful woman, perempuan yang cantik dan keduanya mempunyai anak laki-laki. Suatu ketika one day, farmer watching. Jadi siapa yang sakit?
Istri sama anak.
Istri sama
Anaknya.
then the wife more the wing. Jadi dia itu membuat wing apa wing? Sayap. Jadi dia terbang bersama anaknya si istrinya itu terbang bersama anaknya dan meninggalkan si petani itu. Ya, petani itu sendiri. Berarti petani itu adalah broken heart, berarti patah hati. Dewa-dewa itu tidak mau, the God didn't want to see him melihat broken. Jadi dewa-dewa itu tidak mau melihat dia itu kan sedih dan patah hati. And then they have si dewa-dewa itu penolongnya ya membuatkan farmer by building their personal roof. Jadi ada itu jembatan ke atas. Jadi si dewa-dewa itu membuatkan jembatan ke atas gitu supaya si farmer itu si petani itu dapat memanjat ke rainbow itu. Jadi bu dewa-dewa itu dibuatkan jembatan yang colorful, yang banyak warnanya, ya, yang banyak warnanya itu. Lalu si farmer itu memanjatnya dan melihat istrinya dan anaknya. Dan dari rainbow itu bisa kelihatan anaknya dan istrinya. Bisa dipahami? Bisa. Next. Descriptive text. Next. Coba Ibu pengen tahu ya. Kalian yang kan tadi ada two text ya, there are two text. Can you compare? Kalian bisa membandingkan tidak? Bisa. Ya. Yang pertama adalah deskriptif, yang kedua adalah buat cerita. Jadi sama tidak?
Tidak.
Oke. Sekarang descriptive text is a text that describe a particular object like a place, thing, or person. Jadi deskriptif itu mendeskripsikan benda yang khusus seperti place yang tadi ya. Jadi mendeskripsikan benda yang tadi place. Jadi tempatnya, lokasinya di mana, itunya karakteristiknya seperti apa, historinya bagaimana, benda itu ada, tempat itu ada, terus itu. Terus thing, seperti benda yang ada di sekitar, misalnya meja. What is this like that? Meja itu seperti apa? Berwarnanya apa? Warnanya apa? Coba. What is the color dengan the table? Brown. The table is brown, the table is wood. Jadi menggunakan adjektif. Seperti itu. Ya. And then person who wants a description of person, words. Siapa yang mau mendeskripsikan orang? Seperti Livia Hotep. Livia Hotep seperti apa?
Handsome.
Terus?
Tall.
What else? Alimento.
Stay young.
Yes. Still young?
Yes.
Young?
Young people.
Yeah. Terus? Huh? Smart. Ya, smart. What else? Limit hot itu seperti apa? Si Hans, hatinya bagus, ya hatinya baik, orangnya baik. He is nice person. He is nice person.
Yes, maybe.
Yes, baby. Dia limit hot. Terus apa? Siapa lagi yang mau mendeskripsikan orang? Siapa? Misal Agnes Mo misalnya.
Yes.
Yes.
A singer.
She is singer. What else?
Multi-talent.
Multi-talent, yes.
Strong woman. Independent woman.
Independent woman.
Beauty.
Beautiful.
Yes.
Terus
Strong woman.
strong woman. Yeah.
Dancer.
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 What else? Okay. Cukup enough ya? Ya. Next. Sosial descriptive text itu adalah descriptive information about particular place and his historical belief. Jadi fungsi sosialnya itu untuk mendeskripsikan informasi tentang tempat dan sejarah bangunan yang bersejarah, yaitu fungsinya sosial fungsinya. Jadi mendeskripsikan bangunan bersejarah dan informasi gitu. Oke. Next. Nah, ini generic structure. Generic structure terdiri dari identification. Identification itu adalah overview. Misalnya name, nama tempatnya apa? Tadi yang deskripsi apa? Apakah yang campur-campur atau tadi apa? Rainbow. Yang deskriptif teks. Rainbow itu, the story of rainbow adalah nama teks. Yaitu bisa fiksi, bisa non fiksi. Kalau deskripsi fiksi atau non fiksi, kalau deskriptif teks. Fiksi. Padahal sebenarnya kalau teks itu bisa fiksi, bisa non fiksi. Nah, di sini dalam identifikasi adalah name, ya, nama tempat itu yang jadi untuk menyebarkan agama Hindu. Fungsi cangkuan itu sebagai sarana untuk menyebarkan agama Hindu. Of Hindu religion. The meaning of the prayer Hindu religion. Oke. Terus lokasi di dalam identifikasi itu ada lokasi. Identification. Jadi ada nama tempat, ada fungsinya, ada lokasinya. Lokasinya di mana, fungsinya apa, namanya apa. Nah, itu dalam identifikasi. Lalu sekarang deskripsi itu ada apa sih di dalam deskripsi? Di dalam deskripsi ada history atau sejarahnya bagaimana? History atau sejarahnya. Kalau sejarahnya itu dimulai dari legacy of Saracen Kingdom, Sundanis Kingdom. Jadi sejarahnya itu berasal dari kerajaan Sunda. Jadi ada cakrawala itu sejarahnya itu berasal dari kerajaan Sunda. Itu adalah termasuk ke dalam definition. Lalu ada apa lagi? Oh, candi cakrawala itu berdirinya kapan? Ada yang tahu? Ya, Candi Cakrawala itu berdirinya 1966. Jadi 1966. Jadi ditemukan Candi Cakrawala itu pada tahun 1966. Nah ini dia. Terus lalu ya, lalu mengapa Candi Cakrawala itu di apa? Diperbaiki gitu ya. Baik, mengapa? Untuk menjadi ya, jadi untuk karena di situ ada yang pecah-pecah gitu. Jadi si batunya itu berserakan ya. Jadi nanti mengapa supaya bisa jadi cantik? Jadi diperbaiki, dipugar. Jadi seperti dijadikan cantik. Jadi masih berserakan gitu si batu-batunya. Ya, terus ada juga apakah segitiga, apakah lingkaran? Ini adalah set. Betul. Apakah persegi panjang, apakah persegi empat, apakah lingkaran atau segitiga? Persegi 14. Jadi bentuknya square, ya. Terus kan? Ini adalah ya. Iya, sorry, belum ya. Di dalam kita apa saja? Apa saja kalau presiden ada mesin tidak? Tidak. Ada mesin ya, ada mesin ya. Ada yang ada spot selfie, terus ada apa lagi? Ada toilet tidak? Ada ya toilet. Oke. Terus kalau dalam Candi Cakrawala ya, ini kan apa? Pemandangan anak teh, pemandangan yang skenario. Jadi keunikannya itu pemandangannya sama indah. Jadi berdekatan dengan jalan Candi Cakrawala itu keunikannya pemandangannya yang indah yang berdekatan dengan nah seperti itu. Nah sekarang apa kunci jadi kesimpulan dalam teks itu apa? Ya, sudah. Teks sekarang spiritual. Ini adalah picture-nya, kebahasaannya ya, kebahasaannya dalam teks deskriptif teks. Di situ ada vocabulary, oriented emotion. Jadi vocabulary teks berdasarkan kepada tempat wisata, ya, dan tempat tujuan, terus historical meeting, sejarah apa bangunan yang bersejarah. Nah, itu adalah vocabulary. Coba kembali ke Candi Cakrawala. Teks Candi Cakrawala. Oke. Mana vocabulary sini? One person come here to the class, in front of the class. Yeah. Yang kosakata tahu apa? Kosakata yang tidak tahu artinya. Coba di bentar. Ya. Tidak tahu. Yang tidak tahu. Ya. Bukan ini. Karena kiri. Oh, kiri ya. Jadi di sebelah kiri jalan provinsi. Di sebelah kiri jalan provinsi. Ya. Terus kembali lagi ke kembali lagi ke terus tadi ya jenis structure. Ya betul. Dari picture. Ya. Nah sekarang coba kalau deskriptif menggunakan apa tadi? Simple, itu ciri apa? Menggunakan bebek is, lalu what else? Satu menggunakan verb satu. Kembali ke next. Please show me perempuan. Show me perempuan. Visit, and then enjoy, explore. Right. Right? Okay. Yes. Hey, good. Yes. Next. Hidayah, do you understand?
Yes.
Now, make a group. Yesterday, you made group, yes? Right? Okay. Please make group, and then I want to give you about the task. And do it now. You have to do it now. Yeah? Do you understand?
Yes.
After that, you have to present in front of the class. Okay. Gagal. Berapa? How many groups? Three. Group one. Group two. Jadi sekalian aja ya, dua. Silakan kerjakan. Langsung aja di sini. Kurangnya langsung aja di situ ya, di dalam apa tadi? You have to identify which one is identification, which one is description.
Oh kita.
Analytical risk, analytical risk. Ya, you see ini apakah A, apakah B, apakah C, apakah D nomor 1 itu ya masukkan ke jadi kalau ini paragraf one maksudnya generik ini mana apakah ke identification atau description seperti itu. Ibu kasih nama. Kasih nama. Ya kelompoknya write your group ya. The name of the group. Write.
Ya.
Iya, kelompok satu sih, kedua.
You have to carefully, yeah. You have fill the blank carefully. Jadi kamu boleh Finish? Have you Any difficult guess, my children? Any difficulties about the task? No. No? Do you understand about the task? Yes. It's about children. I am proud of you all. I am proud of you all. Okay? Present time in front of the class. Hey, group 1, please in front of the class to present your task. Sini. Semua? Semuanya group.
Borobudur Temple is one of the most beautiful tourist resort in Indonesia. It is situated in central Java. Borobudur Temple is one of the 7 wonders of the world which need to be preserved. Its circumstance. The people all over the world know that Borobudur is one of the greatest
Terus lanjut.
The people all over the world know that Borobudur is one of the greatest artworks that ever known since long time ago. Borobudur Temple was built by Shailendra dynasty during the 8th century. It needed
More than 2 million river stones. It is the biggest temple in the world.
Repeat.
Borobudur Temple. Borobudur Temple is one of the most beautiful tourist resorts in Indonesia. It is situated in central Java. Borobudur Temple is one of the 7 wonders of the world which needs to be preserved. Its circumstance. The people all over the world know that Borobudur is one of the greatest artworks that ever known since long time ago. Borobudur Temple was built by Shailendra dynasty during the 8th century. It needed more than 2 million river stones. It is the biggest temple in the world. After going into some restoration, Borobudur is visited by more and more tourists, both both domestic and foreign tourists. Most of them admire Borobudur Temple because of its beauty, its elegance, and the story of the relief on its walls. Domestic tourists usually go there by bus or private cars, while foreign tourists like to join travel bureau because they don't need to think of the transportation, accommodation, and itinerary. There are so many chains around the location, it makes them easier to change their money. But some of them like to bring credit cards and checks.
What is what will your answer? How about paragraph 1?
Identification or opening paragraph.
Paragraph 1. Okay.
Paragraph 2, identification or supporting paragraph. Paragraph 3, identification support paragraph. Paragraph 4, identification supporting paragraph.
Yang fill in the blank? Oh, udah diisi belum?
Sudah.
Fill in the blank.
The island of Sanggalaki in Kalimantan was opened for diving in 1993. A shallow reef system extends over 200 meters from the land. It is boring as Indonesia Marine Park. The island is also a breeding ground for green turtles. At night, female turtles come ashore and lay their eggs. At night, female turtles come ashore and lay their eggs. Baby turtles hatch and they boring strangle their way to the sea while avoiding hungry birds.
Number 1. What is your answer? Number 1.
Island.
Island. Number 2.
Pamos.
Number
3,
3.
carelessly. Carol.
Yes. Okay, thank you for group 1. Keep close for the fun. Keep close. Nanti disamakan. Okay.
Now, I would like to invite group 2. Please come to in front of the class. Nanti isinya yang betul disamakan.
I will present group the task group 2.
I will present
I will present the task group
good task group 2.
Sita.
Borobudur Temple. Borobudur Temple is one of the most beautiful tourist resorts in Indonesia. It is situated in central Java. Borobudur Temple is one of the 7 wonders of the world which need to be preserved in circumstances. The people all over the world know that Borobudur is one of the greatest artworks that ever knew seen a long time ago. Borobudur Temple was built by Sailendra dynasty during the 8th century. It needed more than 2 million restorations. It is the biggest temple in the world. After going into some restaurants, Borobudur is visited by more and more tourists, both domestic and foreign tourists. Most of them admire Borobudur Temple because of its beauty, its elegance, and the story of the relief on its wall. Domestic tourists casual on go trip by bus or private cars, while foreign tourists like to join travel bureau because they don't need to think of the transportation. accommodation and itinerary. There are some money changer on the location. It makes them easy to change their money, but some of them like to bring credit card and check.
Your answer, what is your answer? Paragraph 1.
Paragraph
What
1,
is generic structure?
opening paragraph atau identification.
And then
Paragraph
paragraph 2.
2, identification supporting paragraph. Paragraph 3, identification supporting paragraph. Paragraph 4, identification supporting paragraph.
Identification, semuanya identification. Description tadi. Paragraph 1.
Opening.
Iya, opening itu identification. Terus kalau paragraph 2-nya apa? Generic structure-nya. What is the generic structure of paragraph 2?
Yes. Supporting paragraph. Deskripsi.
Yes.
Deskripsi.
Paragraph 3.
Deskripsi.
Paragraph 4.
Sama.
The island of Salangaki from the land. It is boring as an Indonesian marine park. The island is also a breeding ground for green turtles. At night, female turtles come ashore and lay their eggs. At night, female turtles come ashore and lay their eggs. Baby turtles hatch and they boring strangle their way to the sea while avoiding hungry ghosts. Land.
What?
Land.
Land. A. Yeah, A. What is your answer number 2?
Boring.
Boring.
Island.
Island.
Yeah.
Famos.
Farmer. Number 3. What is your answer number 3?
Boring. Careless.
Carelessly.
Dia ngobrol So, the last group, please come in front of the class. Please begin.
Borobudur Temple. Borobudur Temple is one of the most beautiful tourist resorts in Indonesia. It is situated in central Java. Borobudur Temple is one of the 7 wonders of the world, which needs to be preserved is its circumstances. The people all over the world know that Borobudur is one of the greatest artworks that ever known since long time ago. Borobudur Temple was built by Sailendra dynasty during the 8th century. It needed more than 2 million river stones. It is the biggest temple in the world. After going into some restoration, Borobudur is visited by more and more tourists, both domestic and foreign tourists. Most of them admire Borobudur temple because of its beauty, its elegancy, and the story of the relief on its walls. Domestic tourists usually go there by bus or private cars, while foreign tourists like
What is your answer? Paragraph 1.
paragraph 1, opening paragraph or identification.
Paragraph 2.
Paragraph 2, identification supportly paragraph or supportly paragraph.
Paragraph 3.
Paragraph 3,
Paragraph 2. Repeat. Paragraph 2.
paragraph 2, deskripsi, description.
Paragraph 3.
Paragraph 3, description. Paragraph 4, description. The island of Saga. In 1993, its shallow reef system extends over 200 meters from the land. It is famous as Indonesian Marine Park. The island is also a breeding ground for green turtles. At night, female turtles come ashore and lay their eggs. At night, female turtles come ashore and lay their eggs. Baby turtle hatch and they carelessly strangle their way to the sea while avoiding. A. Yes.
Number 2.
Number 2.
Next. Yeah. Check the answer. Check the answer. Let's see your answer. Yeah. The right answer. In Borobudur Temple, paragraph 1, about paragraph 1. What is it? Your answer. Identification. Paragraph 2. Description. Paragraph 3. Description. Yeah. Paragraph 4. Description. Okay, itu yang betul ya, betulnya itu. The right answer is identification, description, and the fill the blank. How about number 1? Land. A ya, land. Okay, number 2, panas. Artinya terkenal. Number 3. Carelessly. Okay. Do you understand? Any question? Any question? Thank you. I think you have understood, yeah, about the lesson. Okay. Next. I would like to give you homework, and then you have to do your homework in your home. Okay. Silakan dipoto. Untuk tugasnya nanti dikumpulkan minggu depan ya. Next week. So, tugasnya dipoto. Ini the task personal. Jadi sendiri-sendiri, tidak boleh kelompok. Untuk sendiri-sendiri. Di grup aja di share ya nanti. personal homework. Sudah. Ya. Langsung di grup aja ya, share. Next. Conclusion. Listen to me. Kesimpulannya ya. Descriptive text is describe a place, thing, or person. Jadi descriptive text itu adalah mendeskripsikan tempat, orang, dan benda. Terus social function-nya, fungsi sosialnya untuk mendeskripsikan, for example, history building, ya. Terus language future-nya, and then language future-nya, there are adjective seperti small, thin, adjective, lalu menggunakan simple present tense. Seperti apa? Contohnya simple present tense itu visit. What else? What more? Come. Terus? Ya, enjoy. Ya, yes. Itu verb 1. Ya. Oke, seperti itu. Apa? Ya. Oh, any question? Ya.
I want to ask about the tip for speaking English fluency.
Okay. You want to speak English fluency. I want to give you some tips ya. The first, you have to read English text more and more. Jadi kamu harus membaca bahasa Inggris terus menerus, and the translate. Jadi terjemahannya seperti apa gitu. For vocabulary-nya, for vocabulary. The second, you have to watch English movie. Jadi kamu menonton film bahasa Inggris. Jadi harus menonton film bahasa Inggris. And then the third tip, you have to listen English song. Kamu harus mendengarkan lagu bahasa Inggris. Itu seperti itu. Do you agree? Okay. Terus next. Ya. Alhamdulillah ya untuk pelajaran hari ini. Ibu, I want to give you feedback. You are very active. Ya. You are excellent students. You are easy to understand the lesson. I'm proud of you all. Saya sangat bangga pada kalian. Thank you. Aisyah. Next. Sorry. Anissa, what? Mana Kaisa? Yes. Kaisa, what do you feel for today about the lesson?
In today's lesson, I learned about descriptive text. The parts that I enjoyed the most were I see Changkuang Temple picture and Bagendit-like pictures. The difficulties that I had were the meaning of vocabulary.
Okay.
May I ask, Mom?
Yes.
To be better.
Yeah. You have to learn English more and more. Okay. Thank you, Kaisa. Yes. Next. Okay. For next lesson, we are going to learn about simple past tense. Ya, for next lesson. Oke, persiapkan dari sekarang ya. Ya. Thank you everyone and thank you so much. Ya, I am really happy today. I'm really happy. Are you happy? Yeah. Thank you so much for your attention. Please.